Marley and Shelly's Playdate by Nichola. Marley, the dreamer, looks up at the sky, dreaming of Grandpa. He had passed away, and she still misses him very much. Mommy notices the sadness in her big puppy eyes, so she sends her on a playdate with Shelly. Marley goes outside and walks down the sidewalk. Marley sees Shelly the turtle. Marley waves at Shelly. "Hello, Shelly." Shelly waves back. "Hello, Marley." Marley runs around Shelly in circles as fast as a dog can. She leaps up and down, wagging her tail. Suddenly, her sad puppy eyes turn into excitement. Marley remembers that Mommy told her to stay in the backyard. "Come on, Shelly," Marley says. The turtle and the dog walk towards the backyard. Shelly and Marley then walk through the gate. "Hurry, come see my apple tree. It is in the backyard." Marley closes and locks the gate behind them. "Now we are safe," the puppy says. The sun is shining brightly over the tree. Marley sees the apple tree, but some of the apples have fallen to the ground. "Oh no! Oh no! What happened?" Shelly asks. "Shelly, the fruit have fallen to the ground too soon. I will be back. First, I have to grab 2 buckets." They slowly get closer to the tree. Marley and Shelly stop next to the apple tree. "Look, Shelly, it's 2 piles." "No, Marley, it's only 1 pile." "No, Shelly, look, it's 2 piles." Marley and Shelly walk even closer. "See, Shelly, one pile has 2 apples and the other pile has 3 apples. See, there are 2 piles of apples. In that pile it's 2, and in that pile it is 3. "Marley, how many have fallen? Let's count together." 1 apple, 2 apples. Let's all count together. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. So how many are there altogether? Let's count them together. Marley points at each apple and counts them. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. Yes, you are right. The answer is 5 apples. Thank you, Marley, for teaching me how to count. Marley is a beautiful friend. When you have a problem with counting, always use marks or objects, such as apples or lines. Ask a friend or your parents for help when you can't solve the problem. Marley's Playdate Safety Rules. When you feel sad, you can visit a friend who could make you feel much better. When you play outside, stay in a safe area where your parents can see you. Never leave the place they told you to go without their permission. Close and lock your gates for safety reasons. When you can't see clearly what happened, do not assume you are right about the details. Sometimes your viewpoint is wrong. When you can't solve the problem, ask for help. Goodbye, everyone. I enjoyed sharing my story with you. And remember to keep counting. Thanks to everyone who made this story possible. And thank you to all of Marley's readers and friends. We love you. Goodbye now, friends.